Untriggered with Amincast.
You missed me.
Okay, I wanted to talk to you about your social media because
Right.
a lot of people who do fitness on social media, Instagram, they have like these super motivational posts, and you have those too. But you're one of the very few people that I've seen you post videos of you failing. You like your captions. A lot of them are about how you're struggling with consistency, and sometimes you just don't feel like working out.
That's
and
very true, yeah.
and it's important for people to know that, because for an outsider, like I see these people on Instagram, they're super jacked and you feel like they're living these perfect lives. They don't miss a single day. But I'm sure everyone, no matter how consistent you are, you
Very
have
true.
those days.
Yeah. And it's not humanly possible to be motivated
Perfect.
all the
Yeah.
time and work out every day. So there are times when I just skip. And I think it's fine. You're just respecting your body, or
Yeah.
not just physically but even mentally. You have to give that respect to yourself. So and about the failure videos, I do get appreciated for that a lot. Like,
Yeah.
people are like, thanks for putting up these posts.
Yeah, it's
where
important
you
for people to
fail.
see that.
Exactly. And that is the truth. I mean, that is how it is. Like, especially like if you're I train for like 2 hours
Yeah.
a day, and at the end of it, when you're on your last set, you are dying.
Yeah.
You know, like literally you're so dead that you cannot, sometimes, and you have to push yourself through. But
Yeah.
it happens sometimes. There are good days, there are bad days, but the days when it does not happen, it gets captured, and I don't mind putting it out there because
Yeah.
that's just natural.
It is. And I mean, at the same time, you can't always be saying, oh, today I don't feel like it, and I'm respecting myself, so I won't work out. Like, there are these days where I like to call it the inner bitch. Like, there is this voice inside you and it's telling you it's okay, like it's fine if you skip today. But
Exactly, yeah.
sometimes, like, if you get over that and go do what you have to do, like, it feels even sweeter
It does.
after.
So I feel there, I personally am very reliant on external factors. Like, I need to talk to someone, or I'll message my coach, today I'm feeling low.
Yeah.
So then he'll motivate me, he'll push me through, or someone around me. So I do depend on external factors, and I feel that's okay. Like, I feel a lot of people don't do that, or they just
Yeah.
do that very less because they think it's, I don't know, maybe ego problem or something. I have no idea why they
and
don't.
a lot of people are like surrounded by assholes. Like, not everyone has like good people they
Maybe.
can rely on. There are
Yeah.
there are people who, if you tell them I don't feel like working out, they're like, oh fuck it, let's go, we'll get a drink instead.
Yeah, true. Very true, yeah.
So it's important, especially if you're working towards something, then you need like a group of people around you. Like, no one is, I mean, a lot of people do it, but most people, they rely on external
Exactly. Factors.
people to motivate you.
Yeah.
And you, at the same time, you need people who tell you that, like, I don't like these, like on the internet. So for me, when I make vlogs and stuff, I see a lot of other people creating content, and like you see their friends commenting, oh, this is so dope, and the content is like really not that great.
Yeah.
Okay, so you need people to point out at the same time, like, to the song you just made, it sucks, like, it's don't put it out, it's not good.
Yeah.
At the same time, don't demotivate them fully that they don't want. So I'm pretty sure with you also, you have your coaches, they tell you like, Said, you're being annoying right now, Said.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, definitely. So that's the thing. I feel that's all about empathy, I guess. You should know when to be supportive, when to be straightforward, like
Yeah.
you said. So, or then you have certain people that okay, right now I need somebody to be like honest to my face, and then I'll go to this person because he's always honest to my face,
Yeah.
he or she. And then I know, okay, when I need to be pampered, probably just go to my mother.
yeah. That family thing is way more important than, because something coming from people who've known you for forever, and it just matters more. Like, two people could tell you the same thing, but when it's coming from family, it's just so much
It
more.
means more, yeah.
That's interesting. Like, what else do you rely on for motivation other than people?
So for me, again, talking about external factors, the place that I'm working out at.
Yeah.
So sometimes if I feel demotivated at a gym, if I'm working out at a regular gym, I will go to an academy. There are very few in Pune, unfortunately, but I will go to an academy where only athletes work out. So
Okay.
that again, it's a
That-
change in atmosphere, which makes a very big difference.
Yeah.
Wherein, you're surrounded by all of these people who have done and achieved great things, and they have that motivation in themselves, and it's
Yeah.
not a regular gym. Like, you understand, the vibes are completely different.
Yeah.
Like, they're so focused that automatically it just
It's
passes
contagious.
through you. Yeah,
When you see people putting in that much effort.
exactly.
I'm sure a lot of people look at you and think like that.
I hope so.
4, 3, 2, 1. Stay away from my trigger, I'm below.